Hello guys, in this video we are going to discussing about how to create AdMob account and payment method setup. So let's be started. So first you need to open your Chrome browser. So I open our browser. You can use any browser, okay? Just open AdMob first link, this link, okay? Click on sign in or sign up. So first I click on sign in and log in with your mail ID and password. So you see like this type interface. So now fill this all information like your select your country and select your time zone according to your country and US dollar, okay? And you can see this, choose according to your country. Now click on create AdMob account. After done it, you see like this. So a confirmation email ID been sent, your email address contains some to get you started with AdMob. You can see this and read according to your which features you want to in your mail. So you can choose according to you. I choose this all. Now again click on next, verify your account. Now you need to add your phone number with your country code name. See, okay? So I put my number, and after done it, you need to add your OTP. You get OTP in your mobile number. So I verify this. Just click on continue to AdMob. You can check success, your account has been verified. Just click on continue to AdMob. Then your AdMob dashboard is open. So I click on continue to AdMob, okay? After done all steps, just you need to open this. Your all setup is completed now. You have created your own AdMob account, okay? Now you second step, you need to add your payment method. After done your payment method, then your ad will showing in your application. So just wait 2 to 4 seconds. You can check like this, okay? So just open your payment option. Just click on payment option, and you need to add your payment method. You see like this, set up your payment. You can check this. This is your refresh button, and add your all payment method here. You add your all information. So you need to add your address, line 1, address 2, town, and all information. Just fill your all information and just click on submit. Now your billing method is completed now. You can see like this. If your payment method is not coming, then you need to add create your one ad. After done one ad created, then your payment method is enabled. Then you can add your payment method. I create one AdMob ad. Just click on done. Click on add ad unit. If you want to change your application name, so you need to app setting. Click on this, and you can change according to your application name. If you want to change like this, I want change like this, and app status is, you can see this. Just click on save. Now you can check your AdMob app name is changed. Again click on, you can see like this type ad. Click on one any ad and add unit name. Just I add one. Just click on next, and you can see add application ad ID and ad ID, okay? So this all steps is completed now. You can see this. If you face any problem, then you can watch this video again. If you have any question or query or any question related to your application, then you can send me message in my Instagram also. Thank you.